Right, so here is another question. What are the profits made by region and show by using pie chart? So again there are two terms, key terms used here, profits and region. So we go into our dashboard and we see the profit tab, drag it onto the dashboard. Again we know that profit is a currency value, so format it as according. Alright, so total profit is $286,000. Alright, we need to show it by region, so we'll use the region tab and drag it onto the profit tab. So here we can see different regions and their profits. The question said to format it in a pie chart, so we click on the plot and then select pie from the given list here. So you see the profits by region are being displayed by a pie chart. The most profit is gained by the west region. So this was a pretty simple question.